Hi everyone! So the other day I showed where I hauled these new little sequins mix from KS Crafts. So today I'm going to show you how we can double our mix. So if you're going to join a Halloween swap, these are perfect little starter kits. But if you have to send to, 3 partners or, 3 partners and the host or even 2, you want to make it go as far as you can. Because when I use these, what I do is I will send this and I will also use it for my shaker for my swap. So I'm going to show you how we can make this be more. Now, the thing I did forget was I forgot that there was pink. So I need to go grab some pink, but I'll do that a little bit later. So I have this little cauldron. I love it. I got it on clearance from Michael's last year. And then I have some sequin mix that I got on clearance from Hobby Lobby last year. So we are going to use those. I have my little dip bowls from Dollar Tree. So we are going to get started. So I'm going to start with the orange one. So this has orange and gold already in there. So we are just going to add to it. So I put maybe not quite half, but just about so I could get started. So these are what I pulled. I'm going to go, oh yeah, I forgot I pulled these out too. I have these that I don't even know where I got these from. I think these were from a D-stash. I think I'm going to throw those in there too. Oh, and I have some little coffins over here. And that's it. So I don't need green or purple right now. So I just kind of take everything out. This one does have little pumpkins and bats in there and ghosties. I like the pumpkins and the little bats and stuff, but I don't know if I really want the white. I don't know if I really want the ghosties in there. So let me see. Yeah, I think I'm going to pull the ghosties. Let me see. So see here, I just added some of that bigger shaped sequence. I think I'm going to pull the ghost out and save that for another mix. Oh, you know what? I've been dying to do a Jack Skellington little mix. Oh, this, look, it's like static. It's sticking to me. So I think I'll save the ghost for that mix. And then we'll make another one. So yeah, don't be shy to pick through your sequence mix that you buy and take out pieces that you want. So I'm not going to bore you guys with all of that. So, okay, hold on. Okay, so they were sticking to me really bad. I got a dryer sheet and I literally just did this. And now I don't have any problem with them sticking on my fingers. It worked. It was a theory, but it worked. So I'm super excited that that worked out for me. So I'm going to keep the ghosts to the side. I think I'm going to put them with the coffins. I think that would be cute. And put those there. These are little witches. They're kind of large. I don't think I want to do that because even the cats, there's some cats in here too, I think are a little bit large. So I'm going to leave those out. I definitely want to add some of this. It's supposed to be black sequins, but it kind of gives a dark gray. I think it's called a gunmetal, right? Like that darker gray. So I'm gonna put some of that in there. Oh, I think I'm about done. Yeah, I think that's a little good mix there. I wanted to add some more orange. I think I will. So I have 2 different size oranges. I think I want to stick with the smaller pieces of orange. And it's definitely different than the orange they put in here. See, this is the orange they put. It's kind of like a lighter. This one's a little bit darker. So I'll just put just a little bit of that. Oh yeah, I like that little bit of more orange peeking through. I like it. I'm gonna add just a smidge more of the mix. I kind of want more pumpkins coming through. I wish it was just pumpkins and not gold. Like, because, you know, the gold I could have added myself. So I wish it was just the clay pieces. So there we go. So if you look at it now, oh, you can't really see, but it's definitely double in size just by adding a tiny bit more of my own mix from my stash. So I think we're good to go. We got our classic little Halloween there. So we're gonna put that one aside there. Then we'll bring out, I need to go back inside and get pink for that. And I don't have any light purple. I wish I had a light purple because I think it would look really good with this, but I don't. My only purple I have is that one. I think it's too dark. Oh, see, there's clear in here. The clear's pretty. I don't think I really want to like make it with this one. What about the silver? Oh, I think the silver might look a little bit. Oh, do these glow in the dark? That kind of looks like it would be like a glow in the dark star, doesn't it? Okay, I changed my mind. Let's go here. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit because I don't know if I'm gonna like it. So there's the tiny bit there. So if you don't know if you're going to like your mix, just put a tiny bit to start. And let's see if I do like it with this silver, or is this silver going to be too dark? Actually, nope, I like that. I think that looks really good with the silver. And I kind of feel like that's all it needed. It just needed like one more little touch. And we got a good mix here. So I use a lot of silver with my Halloween mixes, like silver and blue. I'm sorry, Halloween and blue is like the most that I use silver. Other than that, I usually use gold. So I think that's good there. I don't think I need to add anything else, honestly. I think that looks really good. I wish there was more eyeballs to it. I really love those eyeballs in there. And with just a little bit of the black stars that it has in here, I think looks really good. So we are going to leave that one as is. So that's probably about half. And I want to say that I definitely doubled that half of the bag just by adding that one little element of silver in there. So I think we're good. Yeah, that definitely doubled. So that one's done. Let's do our next one. Ooh, this one I love. It's like double boiling trouble here. So this one is just all little orbs and clay pieces. So it definitely needs some sequence mix. So I don't like how big these circles are. So I'm probably going to pick those out. I'm probably going to use, yeah, I like how that looks. So we're going to use that black glitter there. I think my green is too like Christmas green. Ooh, I like this green better. I'm going to use this green and a little bit of purple. So let's see. Oh yeah, I like that purple. So that purple, and we'll use this green. Whoops, piece fell out. See, I don't like how big that is. Okay, I'm going to skip that black. Let's use this one. But I'm going to see if I can kind of take out Okay, I'll leave that one in there. I guess I should have made the hole smaller. That I can kind of just like sift out the smaller pieces. Oh yeah, see like this super large one? I don't want that one in there. Let's see, how does this look now? A lot of those little bubbles, I need more clay bits. I like it. What do you guys think? I am really digging that. I think that looks perfect. That like lime green sequence with the purple. I like that it's different shapes. You kind of see the little black sparkly of that black sequence. I don't know. Should I add more sequence? Like barely, huh? I might as well do the rest of this. Let's just do this whole thing here. Let's dump all of those out into there. Gonna do just a pinch. We're gonna do our own little like potion mixing here. Just a pinch more of green and just a pinch more of purple. Ooh, yeah, I think we are good here. Oh, this little clay piece is stuck. Let's unstick those. Oh, look at how cool those are. I kind of want to pick those out just to use for like, oops, for like an embellishment little piece. I think that'd be really cute. But yeah, here is how you double your pre-mixed sequence mix so that way you have more than enough for your swap. I kind of feel like this one's my favorite. I honestly thought the orange one was, but I think purple wins. And then here is our pastel. Let me know down below which one is your favorite, or what would you have done differently? Like, I still have this one right here with the little bats. So I could go through and like pick out the pieces. I think I might do that. So if I do this, I can take these green little bats, dump them in here. I don't think I like the purple for here. Actually, that might not be bad. Let's see, now that I dumped, oh, nowhere to go. I lost it in here. I see, now that I dumped the little bat in here, it actually doesn't blend. It kind of looks more like a purple pink than a purple. So I don't actually think I want that one in there. So I'm going to take that one out. And then like in this one, I could do black and orange little bats over there. So yeah, that's gonna be my little video. I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna sort some of these out, but I hope this gives you guys some ideas, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.